What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is Po Boy's Garage. Hey everybody, we're back at the garage. We just found a little baby dinosaur.
Didn't survive the summer.
Didn't survive. So what happens when you get stuck in the garage? No way out.
Our car is gonna turn into that. Just a skeleton.
That's what happens, yeah. So anyways, we're back. Shipwreck and I are gonna tackle the Cressida. Got the fuel pump, and hopefully that'll at least somewhat solve the issue of why it won't start. Woohoo! But before I work on that, I want to show you what we scored at a pick apart. Tell them what we scored, man.
So we got parts for the RX-8 and the RX-7. Looking for an RX-7 harness to replace this beautiful standard stock harness. That's what we went there for, and we did find it. Look at that.
Yeah,
it's like a fishing video.
I know.
It's a brand new harness, intact, 30-year-old harness.
How much people charge for those?
I don't want to pay it.
Don't want to pay the price.
And then, while looking and finding that, Mr. Joe here found this nice exhaust just sitting on an RX-8, and he was eagle-eyed and noticed.
Here, you can't really see it.
Oh, the logo?
Yeah, the logo. So come right here. Where we at? Right there. Dang, look at that. Megan Racing.
Still pretty clean.
Heck yeah.
To me, it doesn't look like it was really used.
No, it looked brand new. But luckily, when I was walking away, I looked down and I was like, no, wait, that's not a stock exhaust. So we went back and boom, got this right here. And then just this morning, went to another pick apart, and Shipwreck, he wants to change up his seats inside his RX-8 to leather.
Yeah, it's been cloth interior. Now we got all black leather. I have the front seats already. I found the rear seats. Now I found good body panels.
Yeah, these are super clean.
They just need to be cleaned up.
And then his fog lights. He picked up some fog lights today too.
Mine disappeared.
All of a sudden, yeah. So yeah, this guy's coming up big for the RX-8. That's not here yet.
Yeah, pick apart. It's your friendly rotary shop. There's tons of RX-8s. It's kind of sad.
Yeah, over here was like four or five.
4 or 5 of them just sitting there, all like 2004s.
Yeah, so bring your bring your broken RX-8s out here to the High Desert Pick Aparts, and we'll take care of them after that.
We'll find a part off we need.
Yeah.
That's all we seem to do.
I know. So last time the guys saw, we pushed the Cressida over here where the Miata was. There's a 240. I'm gonna do some stuff to it today too after we install the fuel pump. But look at it, it's so awesome. I can't wait to put these seats up front. Gotta make some brackets because no one makes them. Can't find anyone who makes them for a reasonable price. The latch. So I ended up ordering a fuel pump from Rock Auto. They save lives, so if you ever need to buy parts, check out Rock Auto before you go to like O'Reilly's or AutoZone or something. So this should be a pretty easy process. I also got a fuel filter and a little fuel pump strainer. All you gotta do is locate your 3 little. This is good. I probably want to connect that first. See, luckily the guy who had this before me already took all the carpet out, so I don't have to worry about that.
Alright, so we got the wiring off.
Yeah, so we got the wiring off. I pulled out these little screws right here. There's 5 of these. Take these off. And then as we were taking this off, we both realized, we're like, hey, where's the fuel pump? We're like, what the hell?
It's way in there. You kind of see it, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But I think
Inaccessible from the top.
So these are the type of gas tanks where you have to actually drop the gas tank itself so you can replace the fuel pump. And I don't feel like doing that today, so this kind of stops this project, and I'll end up going back to the 240 and do some more stuff on that. So it kind of ruins the video. I wanted to do like, oh, this is how you replace it. We'll do that next time once I
once we prep a little better.
Yeah, once I look on how to actually take that off, then I'll do a video of replacing the fuel pump. So for now, we'll go back to the 240. Last time what I did on the 240 was the driver's side wheel well. It still looks really good. So this time around I gotta do the passenger side. Just gotta cover up all the holes and everything like I did on that side over there. So you can see the before again. Here's the before, and then I'll show you the after. There you go, passenger side. Make it look nice and pretty. That looks good. You just gotta let it dry. Looks a lot better, that's for sure.
Buddy wants to play.
He wants to play. Oh, now he wants the camera. What's up, Gus? Where's Nala at? Hey, Nala. What's up? Oh, she hates the camera. Oh, get her! Fight. Little Sebastian. Poor Cressida. Why won't you run? Well, since that's drying, I guess I can start taking all this stuff off now. Looks pretty good so far. And I still gotta take all this stuff off and clean it up, and then of course connect the brake booster back and then clean that up. What do you got here, buddy? Almost died. Alright, thank you. Cheers. Here's that green. I got some touch up to spray it all black. This is it so far. Still some little touch ups to do, but it's coming together. We're gonna end up taking a break working on cars. Whoa! Yeah, almost. And we're gonna put some banners up in this garage. Shipwreck picked up this 7 stock one, RX-7.
Miscalculations. Put it on the flat surface, not the under part.
Thanks for handing it to me. Just give me the magnet. Good? Oh man, I feel tired, dude. When you're up there, it just feels tired and just not alive.
Where do you want the right side?
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're good, dude. I got the ladder.
Okay, cool.
Don't be chicken.
Are we gonna spread the cheeks more?
Look at that.
Yeah, dude, that's spot on.
I don't shit for a living. I'm a professional.
You're a professional liner. It's got a line. Yeah, you only need like 2 inches of string.
What's up, guys?
Pops a lot. It's in the dead center of this wall. Which is fucking crazy.
So there you go, right there. 2 banners are up right now. We're gonna look into getting some more banners for the garage. You know, give it a little bit of personalization for itself. Didn't do too much today. Got some stuff done on the 240. And the Cressida is still a little headache, but hopefully we'll be able to get it done. But you know, whatever. It's all part of the game. Look at that. Woo, right there, baby. Now let's go close up shop. Today was a good day. It's getting cold now out here in the desert, but not too bad of a day today.
Like chops, and I just have like a long size.
Chill day deserves a drink, celebratory drink.
I have a mustache.
Over here with amongst a bunch of good friends. Hey, well, thanks for tuning in. Hey, we'll catch you guys next time. There you go, po' boys. Cheers. Woo. Woohoo.